Okay. Oh. Alright. Speed boost is all I need. Hold on. Alright, I have it. Any updates? No, alright, let's go. Turn my volume before I go in there. Let's go. What's up, guys? Where is this hacker?
I think we're good. Oh, let's go over here. Come on.
Yo, Blue's bugging, bro.
Yo, buddy, get back.
Let's go this way. Come on.
Alright. Oh, there you are.
I swear I thought I heard something, but I think it was just me. Which way?
Ah! I'm playing.
Shut the fuck up.
Chill out.
Run, right here.
Oh! You're the monster.
No shit. Wait, where are you?
The monster's right there.
He's stuck. Maybe he's not stuck. Yo, I heard him.
Not stuck anymore?
It scared me.
Go down there.
He's still there.
Are we good?
Is it there?
He moved. Where'd he go?
Down through there.
I'm going to that hole. We're the
back
next
in the
hole.
safe
Where
place.
spawn is. If I see that, I'm running through that hole there.
I'm not going all the way down there, bro. I'm not going down there, just not finding him.
This way. That way. That way.
Let's go, guys.
Oh!
You, bro. What is up with you?
What?
Shut the fuck up. Guys, am I bald? Guys, am I bald?
Oh, God.
I just got Shut the fuck.
Look. There's nothing over there.
6 strings of cheese down to my heart.
Go get him.
I didn't say
Bro. That thing is so fast.
Get him. You're going to say the N-word to the monster.
Bro, no. Don't say it, bro.
Y'all guys are doing. Who cares? Where's the Phantom Tax monster? The N-word pass.
He's canceled. You're done.
Get back.
Oh, it's after something. Yeah, it's after someone.
I'm sorry, monster.
Yo.
Guys, it's coming from down there. I wouldn't prefer it.
Why is he you built like that.
Hello there.
Oh no.
Yeah, how are you on the ground? What?
No, Danny! You wanna say that?
Hello there.
Bruh.
Once again.
Go get this squirrel. He's gonna give me. Skedaddle, skedoodle, your dick is now a noodle.
Anyway, yeah. Come on.
No, over there.
Guys, have you heard me
Go.
screaming?
He's down there.
Skedaddle, having some monster. Oh, that monster has other medallions, bro.
Bro, drop me some medallions.
Hello there.
Oh. Alright, so this isn't gonna be like a long video. I was trying to find the hacker, but maybe I got second thoughts. Maybe he was like taken out. Maybe like they like got the hacker away. What the heck? Oh. But yeah, maybe they got the hacker away, but I just wanna show you guys a cool bug that you could do. Maybe it's still there, maybe they patched it, I'm not sure. But we really like... Oh yeah, they didn't patch it. So when you went into a quiet place, you got launched up in the air. And so now you're out of the map, you can get the map without no clip. And you can see the secret room right there, which I'm really confused about. Like if it's like, if there's like a VHS tape for it. I don't know if there's or not, but I like to troll kids because they sometimes join and like it won't join, so they just stay there. I sometimes just like walk out like this, like oi tita. Oh, yeah, that was mainly it. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. And I hope you like my new fit. I don't even know why my green thing keeps like disappearing. But I put on a mask and I had like a green thing right here. It's like a horrible. But yeah, see you guys next one. See ya.